Okay, so what we have here is an old McDonald crude oil diesel. Been sitting around for a while. Apparently it was running fine, and then it just stopped with a bit of a clunk. So we ripped off our crankcase cap, had a look in there, everything looked fine. Ripped the flywheel off, which was a bit of a job. Removed the timing cover and found the idler gear had a couple of missing teeth. So we welded them back up and carefully ground them back down to shape and put it all back together. Bled up the injector, made everything all Mickey Mouse, and she fired back up. So we're going to give her a start now. And it's been about 6 years since this thing's been running, so quite happy that everything seems to be holding up okay so far. So let's make some noise and some smoke. I'll just put you down here until we get it going. Sorry about the camera angle, but not much I can do about that when we're on the old iPhone. Okay. So there we have it. These things sound really nice, the old single cylinder diesels, when they're under load. But what I'm going to do now is get out of this shed until the smoke clears before I give myself a headache. We do have the door open, but it's not quite enough. Then we'll come back and have a look at our next project, and then after that one we'll have a look at some more projects. Okay, this one here is a bit of a rare one in Australia. It's actually a jumbo, a DA model, 5 horsepower, petrol carro, and it has the oddest magneto setup I've ever seen. This bit here is actually the spark plug, and this little arm here pushes on this thing and then flicks off, and this springs back. And when it does, that gap starts to open and creates a spark, and that there just goes straight in that big hole into the cylinder. So it's actually not working, that's why the motor's not running. So we've got to strip it down and give it a good clean up, put it back together, and hopefully it'll be alright. So that is the next project, get this monster going again. Transport company, in all their wisdom, decided to try and lift it from the exhaust and snapped it clean off the head, so we're going to have to do a bit of machining and some cast welding, fix that up. Here we have our little fuel tank, and this big mounting plate is actually the kerosene tank. So enough fuel there to keep it going for quite some time. So that's about it. That's the next one on the hit list. Get this up and running again, and then we'll go and have a look in the small part of the shed at all the other projects we got to go. Okay, so just a sneak peek in the junk room. As you can see, we've got many old motors here to fix. I won't go through all the names of them, it'll take some time. We got some more over here, and we've got a couple of 32 volt generator systems, that another one hiding down there, that belong on a couple of these motors. Cell generating plants, old separator. But yeah, so we've got plenty of work ahead of us in the years to come, and one by one we'll be bringing these back to life if we can. Pretty much sure we will get one of them going. They're all the same motor. We have 3 of them, so definitely be enough parts there to make one, I would think. I do have another one of them down in the back shed, and I do have another 2 of them down in the back shed. So plenty of old motors to muck around with. I also have a old Seagull outboard, which I'm going to be doing this weekend. So I'll post a video on that resurrection as well. Thanks for watching, guys.